journey of 1,000 plates begins with the violent moving of mountains.
The secret to flawless dinnerware relies on a highly precise recipe. Massive loaders dump thousands of...
But in this mountainous state, these rocks are useless. With deafening, brutal mechanical force, heavy steel jaws...
Every single detail matters here. Even the granular texture of this freshly crushed rock dictates the final strength and durability of the ceramic.
Once the mountains have been reduced to gravel, they are fed into colossal rotating steel cylinders known as ball mills.
But you cannot mold dry dust. To awaken the clay, the factory must introduce the essence of life.
This slurry is pumped into massive vats where giant mechanical agitators stir the mixture endlessly.
Yet, this muddy river holds a dark secret.
We now have a perfect, pure liquid. But you cannot sculpt a plate out of soup.
What remains trapped inside are heavy, dense, damp slabs of pure, workable clay.
An automated wire system slices this endless ribbon into uniform, heavy blocks. The chaos.
Now comes the true magic of the mega factory, the art of shaping, where master potters once spent
For more complex shapes, like coffee mugs with thick handles, the factory employs special...
Before our eyes, a continuous, endless river of hundreds of identical, flawless, unbaked plates.
But looking at the endless lines of gray tableware, you might think the process is nearly complete.
Now, they are ready for the Bisque Kiln. Welcome to Belly of Beast.
Inside, the temperature climbs to over 1,000 degrees Celsius.
They enter as fragile mud, but emerge glowing red from the residual heat. As they cool,
Automated spraying nozzles blast a fine mist of liquid glaze. The porous plate instantly drinks in the liquid.
Before the glaze is melted, it's time to add art. High-tech silicone domes pick up ceramic ink.
The tableware is shaped, baked, glazed, and painted.
Welcome to the Glost Kiln. Here, the temperature is cranked up to a staggering 1,300 degrees.
This molten glass wraps itself entirely around the plate, sealing it in an impenetrable shield.
The journey from raw mega factories to perfection.
if the machine detects any flaw, a robotic arm violently plucks the defective plate off the line, tossing it to be crushed and recycled.
Only the absolute flawless masterpieces survive. In the final haul, lightning-fast mechanical arms step.
So the next time you sit down for a meal, take a closer look at your plate. Remember the crushing weight, the swirl...
But in the mega factory, nothing is ever truly lost. As for the plates that made it to your table,
After crossing oceans, the plate finally arrives at its true destination. For a master chef, a flawless ceramic plate is not just tableware.
The incredible durability of the glass glaze ensures that the plate enhances the colors of the dish.
From a violent, dusty pile of raw earth, crushed, mixed, shaped, and born through a pocket.
But these masterpieces aren't reserved just for Michelin star chefs.
Their true magic lies in the
They hold our morning coffee, endure the chaotic energy of family breakfasts, and become a silent, sturdy
washed, stacked, and waiting for tomorrow. A remarkable journey from raw, ancient earth right to the very heart of Passed down through generations, the plate carries the echoes of countless family dinners, celebrations, and quiet mornings.
Born from the earth, forged in apocalyptic fire, destined to outlast us all.